Hey everyone, this is James with Freedom Rental Properties, and I want to give you an update. It's January 30th, 2017, and we're getting started on demo of the 7K Duplex. So check out that playlist if you want to check out that. Everything is going on here, but let me give you a show. Everything's pretty, well, similar. Getting a little bit of demo done in here. This is on the right side of the Duplex. Still got plenty of stuff to do. Getting a little ripped out. And there's the other side. You can see there, in between, all ripped out. And working away, but here's the bulk of it though. We got kitchen area, laundry, bathroom, and then the other side, kitchen, laundry, then the door to the bathroom there. But basically, one of the things we're running into here is that you can see, I'm gonna show you. Here I'm standing in the kitchen of one side, and you see the beams there. Floor joist of the other side. Now here's a problem. You got floor here, dirt. This has moisture. These beams, these floor joists, sitting right on that. Look at that. So they're not getting air underneath. And that's gonna cause moisture, and these are gonna give away sometime. Now they're still in pretty good shape right now, but somewhere down the road. So what we wanna do is go in, put some concrete down, vapor barrier, all throughout this, kind of level it all back out. Okay. Also, we got electrical. Gonna go new panel box. A lot of plumbing need to do. Now this unit was gas at one time for the heat, and I can actually show you going outside here. That's where they were. Took the meters off already. Gas company did, we didn't. But basically, gonna go in with all electric. Now here's why. You got other gas plumbings, gas fittings, things like that. But we're gonna have to go back, contact the gas company, put in new meters, you know, fix whatever issues we got to with that, or we could just switch it all to electric. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna switch it all to electric, keep them capped, and that should help reduce a little bit of the cost at least. So just wanted to give you all an update. You can see here, walking down the other side of the duplex now. Still got a lot to rip out. We've only gotten about a day and a half into demo. And then a faux door, random door. That's just covered by the siding on the outside, but you know, old houses, they got a lot of random doors. But anyway, so yeah, big project here. Still on the other side of the duplex. Once you kind of get halfway through it here, we haven't really got to this side yet. But you're starting in the back, moving to the front. Another thing you want to think about is, yeah, we can put concrete in the back, but you still got kind of up higher, up above grade here in the front. So in the front, you want to make sure you're getting air under there. You don't want moisture, things like that. So we got some vents here in the front. However, once we get it more ripped out, might have to look at that a little more. Another major issue, these are something you can fix really easily, is water. Worst enemy of a place. All these downspouts for this property just end right at the foundation. That's what's caused a lot of these problems down the road and currently, is all these downspouts are just exiting right to the property. And you don't want to do that. So anyway, that's the update for the 7K Duplex. We're getting a lot of sun. So you want to check it out as the progress goes, maybe learn something. There you go. So remember, subscribe, comment, like, and help us out, and check out the 7K Duplex playlist to see more videos on this project. See ya.